The All Parties Hurriyat conference has deplored that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian regime is systematically implementing its settler colonial plan on the Israeli pattern to offense the Muslim identity and establish Hindu civilization in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the abrogation of Kashmir's special status was aimed at paving the way for the Hindus from India to get permanently settled in the territory. He said the extrajudicial killing of innocent Kashmiri youth on a daily basis is part of Modi's communal plan to turn the Muslim majority Jammu and Kashmir into a minority area. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti in a tweet said the occupation regime has given verbal orders for registration of non-local laborers and Indian forces personnel as voters in the occupied territory. She said the verbal orders were passed at a meeting in Baramulla by District Tehsildar. Around 2.5 million Indian nationals are likely to be added to the electoral rolls during the exercise. Washington-based World Kashmir Awareness Forum President Dr. Ghulam Nabi Mir, addressing a panel discussion at the 59th Convention of Islamic Society of North America in Chicago, regretted the failure of United Nations to implement its resolutions on Jammu and Kashmir that has led to continued suffering of the Kashmiri people. The convention was attended by more than 10,000 people who came from all across the US and Canada. He warned that the future of South Asia remains in peril as unresolved Kashmir dispute involves three nuclear powers, India, Pakistan and China. In his address as special speaker at the ISNA convention, the founder and president of the world-renowned human rights organization Genocide Watch, Dr. Gregory Stanton, said that India is preparing for genocidal massacres of 200 million Muslims. Dr. Stanton said India has met all of the preparatory stages for the genocidal massacres. He pointed out that the persecution of Muslims is reflected in termination of Kashmir's special status. He deplored that a climate of impunity reigns in which eyewitnesses to mass murders of their own families have been terrorized into recanting testimony and the killers have been acquitted.